Newark, California-based Lucid Group burst onto the electric vehicle scene with their Air model, which touts an industry-leading 520-mile range. You might also remember the company commencing manufacturing last spring at their recently completed 500-acre production facility in Casa Grande, Arizona. This time, Lucid is turning heads with the most powerful electric vehicle available in North America, their Air Grand Touring Performance. Not to be confused with the Lucid Air Grand Touring vehicle, the performance model will offer 1,050 horsepower and going 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds and hitting a top speed of 168 miles per hour. The vehicle will feature one of Lucid's proprietary electric motors at each axle. Despite the added power, it will still offer an EPA-estimated driving range of 446 miles. And while this is less than the Air, it's still ahead of the nearest competitor for the range title, as Tesla's dual-motor Model S offers a range of between 375 and 405 miles on a single charge. And I'd be remiss if I didn't mention that the Model S Plaid from Tesla does own the title of quickest EV on the planet, as it sacrifices range for a sub-2 second 0 to 60 time and a top speed of 200 miles per hour. Lucid credits its high degree of vertical integration and the in-house production of its proprietary EV powertrain and battery pack for its ability to transition from concept to commercial availability so quickly. It's worth noting that the Lucid Air Grand Touring vehicle, which is the official follow-up to the Air, is no slouch. It's rated at 819 horsepower and going 0 to 60 in 3 seconds, while carrying an EPA-estimated range of 516 miles. Additional features of both Grand Touring models include 20-way massaging seats, a 21-speaker Surreal Sound Pro audio system, a glass canopy design that delivers panoramic views of the sky and natural lighting while filtering out heat and harmful rays. Lucid's Dream Drive Pro Advanced Driver Assistance System is also included, which includes a network of 32 onboard sensors to provide operations and in-vehicle connectivity. The Lucid Air Grand Touring Performance will be available in June and carry a US MSRP of $179,000. I'm Jeff Ranke, and this is IN Now.